The colors on these, they go crazy with the amount of color in the chrome. So keep your eyes open for that. We got a couple of them here that I'm going to show you. But this one here is... Everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today we have the 54th anniversary set. It's the pink and blue, or is it the blue and pink? I don't know, but they are really, really cool. There's 5 cars in the set. We got these from our buddy Brent, who found them at Big Lots, believe it or not. Luckily things have been coming in a little bit more. And so if you guys got a Big Lots and you haven't found these yet, go check it out. All right, there's 5 cars, like I said. Let's see what number 1 is. Number 1 is the 49 Ford F1. And that is done in a really, they're all done in a nice dark blue metallic. All right, got a really light metallic to them. This has a black interior. The window is tinted really, really dark on it. The bed liner in the back is black plastic also. Tampos on the side are a light pink, and there is a pearl blue stripe also, a light pearl blue stripe on the door, along the bottom of the door, well, along the whole bottom of the truck, along with some pink. Got a Hot Wheel logo on the back of the fender. The base is a pink chrome. Now that goes with the front grille and the front bumper, and there is no rear bumper, but it's kind of like a valance with the exhaust sticking out the back. The colors on these, they go crazy with the amount of color in the chrome. So keep your eyes open for that. We got a couple of them here that I'm going to show you. But this one here is Brent only found one of, there were no variances of the base color. So it has, let's see, those are blacked out Steelies all the way around, small ones, with a light blue chrome ring on them. And it has a pink 54 on the back fender. And that is it for tampos and anything else. So that's number 1, the 49 Ford F1. Number 2 is the 67 Austin minivan. And I think this is so cool. I'd like to do something really neat and really cool custom with these. These are really, really nifty. It has also a very dark window on it. I believe it has a black interior. It's really hard to see in there. That's how dark the window is. The tampos, again, on the side are pink, and there is a pearl blue stripe also, and it has a pearl blue 54 in the door. 54 in the door, and it has a pearl blue Hot Wheel logo in the stripe also in front of the rear wheel. The base is a dark pink chrome, which goes with the front bumper. Also has the rear bumper as part of the pink chrome base. The wheels on this are blacked out, the classic 5-spokes, and it has light blue chrome ring around them. It has a pinstripe up in the panel on the side there too. But that is it. There's no other tampos or anything else to it. Just on the side there, and yeah, that's it. So there you go. Number 2 is the 67 Austin minivan. Neat. Number 3 is the Evil Twin, and that has two great big pink chrome supercharged engines sticking out of the hood. The base is actually gray plastic, but the pink chrome, this has a dark pink chrome and a light pink chrome. There you go. All right. And the side exhaust is part of the chrome. The front bumper and grille, part of the chrome. Interior is also part of the chrome. and exhaust tips in the back part of the chrome. The window looks like it's clear. Might have a little tint to it, but it's really hard to tell. But it's not tinted dark like the other ones. And the wheels on this are blacked out J5s with a light blue chrome ring on them. They're the same size front and back, small ones. And tampo on the side is pink from the headlights into the door. It's got a pink Hot Wheel logo on it, and also has a pink stripe on the rear fender. And there is a pearl blue stripe also. And that's it for tampos. Number 3, the Evil Twin. And again, look for light on the bottom there and dark pink chrome on this one. All right, there we go. Number 4. Number 4 is the Passion Gasser. And we also have 2 of those. One with a very dark pink chrome engine. And the interior, well, it's actually the cage. The roll cage is pink chrome. And that is it for that one. The interior, the dash and the steering wheel are also pink chrome. So you got the engine, the dash, and the roll cage. Interior is black plastic. The base is black plastic, which goes with just the front grille, and looks like got Nerf bar maybe, or is that a gas tank? I think it's a gas tank on the front there, so that's black plastic. And the rear push bumper is also black plastic, goes with the base. Tampos on the side are light pink with a pink outline 54 on the door. And there's also light blue pearl stripe and Hot Wheel logo in there also. The wheels are light blue chrome 5-spokes, got big ones in the back and little ones in the front. And again, there we have a very dark pink chrome on the bottom and a lighter pink chrome on the top. So keep your eyes open for that. And that is it. Number 4, the Passion Gasser. Number 5 is the 64 Chevy Nova Wagon. And this has light pink stripe all the way down the side. And that's the only pink stripe on it, only pink detail on it. Has a pearl blue stripe below the pink one on the side, with the 54 cut out of the pearl stripe, so that the 54 is part of the paint job itself. The base is a very dark pink chrome, which goes with the front grille, front bumper, and rear bumper. And this one here has a very light pink chrome base. So you can definitely tell these two apart. Bottom one is light, top one is dark. The wheels are blacked out PR5s, got big ones in the back, little ones in the front, and they also have a light blue chrome ring around them. And that is it. That is number 5, the 64 Chevy Nova Wagon, with definitely big difference in the chrome there. All right. Again, these were found at Big Lots, and I'm sure they're going to be at other places like Family Dollar and Dollar General. Should be Dollar General, yeah. And I can't think of any other places around here that would carry them. So if you have found them in other stores, put them in the comments below so everybody else can start finding stuff. You know, we're having so much trouble finding stuff. It's nice to have some stuff out there. So they're really awesome. Thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. Appreciate it always. Please share our videos. Please tell your friends. Please subscribe. Always, you know, hit that bell on there so you get notified whenever we have a new video coming out. We've been doing a lot better this month. You know, we've been finding more stuff to show you guys. So again, appreciate it. So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, you guys take care of yourselves, and we hope to see you real soon. Bye-bye.